So you might be in a position where your Facebook account is disabled. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially means that your Facebook account, you probably won't be able to access it, and your account is basically banned at this moment. Now, I wouldn't freak out about it too much. There's still some ways to go about going about it, but the very first things I would recommend taking a look at is this specific page from Facebook. Now, this basically tells you, like, my account's disabled, and it will tell you how you know your account is disabled. If you're watching this, you already know that. And then it says why my account is disabled. Now, this is a really, really big thing that I kind of want you guys to kind of remember. So it tells us why is my account disabled. It says posting content that doesn't follow Facebook terms. If you were going through and you're posting things against Facebook, not against Facebook, but against their terms of service, like hate speech or anything like that, you are going to get disabled. And there's no point in appealing because it's not going to, go in your favor. It says using a fake name. This is kind of a hard one, but if you're going through and like impersonating somebody else, that can also get your account, pretty much banned. Impersonating someone right there. It says continuous behavior that, shows Facebook against the community standards, same thing that we talked about earlier. Contacting other people on the purpose of harassment, advertising, promoting, or other conduct that's not allowed. So think of things like harassing, or think of things like, spamming or trying to scam people and people report you. That's obviously going to get your account banned as well. Now, if those things pretty much, fall in line and you're like, well, I didn't do any of those things. It's just a, kind of a mess up that Facebook did. Well, what you can do is right here, you can go ahead and click on this, use this form. So click on, basically all you have to Google. YouTube doesn't like these links that I post down here, but Facebook login disabled, you can Google it. And what you can do here is click on the actual official Facebook page. Once here, you can scroll down and you can click use this form to request a review. At this point, you can go ahead and type in your email. So again, make sure it's the official Facebook page. You can type in your email, your full name, your IDs if you have any. I don't even think you need to do this. It says if possible, so you don't even need to do it if you don't want to. And then you can go and click send. And what's going to happen is Facebook is going to look over your account. They're going to do a review. And if everything looks good, they're going to reinstate your account. Now, I've heard a lot of conflicting things about this, that Facebook maybe would not even look at it, but I would recommend doing this if they go through again, and if they don't, get back to you within a few days or a week or two, you might just want to go through and appeal it again. Just keep appealing until they check you out. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hope I'll catch you guys in the next video.